First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, you probably started out yesterday thinking, wow, the sun looks good. It feels good. Temperatures in the 50s. Oh, maybe spring is here. But then by the afternoon, a little weak system came through. The temperature started going down. We even had a little bit of light mixed precipitation. It was mostly rain here in Bowling Green, although we had some reports of sleet. Even some of you saw some light snow yesterday. Yeah, a couple of more hits of winter for this final week of February. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. We are all clear this morning, just a few high clouds, 24 degrees. Current temperature reading in Bowling Green. Let's check out the rest of south central Kentucky. Mostly low to mid 20s all across the area. 21, a little chilly there in Litchfield and Hodgenville. There's a couple of 22s. Hardinsburg and E-Town, and you see 24. Greenville, Hopkinsville at 23, 26 Franklin, Scottsville at 25, Burkesville at 24 at this hour. Hometown forecast today, we go to Lake Malone and we see a high temperature, maybe 44 for the Greenville, Central City, Powderly area. Morgantown, 43, 45 for Russellville and Auburn. Then you head to Elkton, maybe a high today at 45 degrees. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot for Wednesday night has now jumped to an estimated $50 million. The next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $195 million. Good looking sight here from our Doppler cam. As we look east, there's a few of those clouds off to the north and east, but you can see the kibble stack over at Hill's Pet Food directly across, well, kind of a little northeast of our studios here on Russellville Road. As we're looking east, we're seeing that light, just very light north wind as that the kibble, the steam coming out of that kibble stack is blowing off to the south. So good indication there that we have a light north wind. 23 current temperature reading here in Bowling Green, and there is that north wind at 3 miles per hour. Very dry atmosphere. Dew points, humidity levels all running very low at this hour. Glasgow seeing a clear sky, 24 degrees on our AAA Systems Weather Cam network. Litchfield up in Grayson County, you're seeing some of those high clouds, but also you're under a clear start at 21 this morning. Temperatures around the region, upper teens, low to mid 20s. 30s and 40s further south and east. We're 14 degrees colder than yesterday morning at this hour, so you'll need to dress in a few more layers this morning than you did on Sunday morning. And Sunday afternoon, we had that little line of showers and a little mixed precipitation come through the area, but all that, as you can see, has moved out pretty quickly and just kind of faded off into the Virginias. Little upper level system trying to get going down north of Kansas City. Satellite view showing how the clouds cleared out overnight, but we may see some of these clouds blowing off of that upper level system to the north. But high pressure is in control of our weather and will continue to be over the next 24 hours as it moves off to the south and east. But we do have a little feature. We call it a trough, and that's like taking an area of low pressure and extending it like a rubber band. And that's what this is. That's what that little broken line stands for. And as it moves east, through time, during the day tomorrow, we'll see an increase in clouds. It'll be dry to start, but by tomorrow evening and early Wednesday, we may get a little quick hit of light rain over to light snow. Not expecting any accumulation out of that, although some of us could pick up a light dusting of snow by late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. And of course, behind that, there will be some colder air as we get into the middle part of the week. Mostly sunny. It will be cooler today than yesterday with a high of 45. And then for tonight, partly cloudy, cold down to 28. Tomorrow we'll make it back to 43. Mix of sun and clouds with that chance of light rain over to light snow tomorrow evening. Early Wednesday, we may see some slick spots here and a high of only 31 down to 19 by early Thursday. Thursday's high at 41. We stay in the 40s for the upcoming weekend with another little hit of light rain over to light snow for Friday evening, but the rest of the weekend looks dry.